In 2022, we made our annual calendar even better. We added colors for Saturdays and Sundays and made sure each month has the right number of days. What's unique about our calendar is the cool sliding design under a clear surface. You can easily switch from January to December and even sync up 2 or more months at once. This year, we pushed the boundaries further. We experimented with a synchronized design, allowing you to adjust 2 months at once, and even more. A real yearly calendar that lets you effortlessly view the entire year at a glance. This is the result of our team's dedicated 18-month effort. Only through numerous iterations and relentless effort did this entirely new concept come to fruition. To meet the demands for small-scale diversity and maintain quality control. In the production process, we employ individual laser cutting and UV direct printing for each piece, combined with artisanal woodworking techniques. Assembly inspection. Crafted from acrylic for effortless writing and erasing, reimagining calendars, whiteboards, and perpetual calendars. Reusable calendar, easily view the whole year's perpetual calendar.